Oh, classmates, Mr. Stallman, anybody else watching? In our experiment, we wrapped rubber bands around a watermelon. They blew up 3 times. Pretty cool. Our goal was to prove our hypothesis of the size of a watermelon affects the pressure required for it to burst. Now, exactly what is pressure? Pressure is the continuous physical force exerted on or against an object by something in contact with it. We took various safety precautions in this experiment. Anybody filming kept a safe distance from the watermelon exploding, as did the people putting on the rubber bands. We used a lot of goggles. Our eyewear is top of the line. Mr. Selman, you would definitely approve of this. We used sunglasses, goggles, pool goggles, anything you could find. And we tried to lessen the variables, so we used the same rubber bands each time. We bought 2 large bags, very large. And we took Sharpies, and we made a 3 centimeter thick distance, and we drew circles around the watermelons, put all the rubber bands inside of that to control where exactly the pressure went. And, we kind of controlled it from there. This was inspired by Slow Mo Guys. Very good video of it blowing up. And it was a great project to end the year. It's great to work with the group that I did. And I'm sure everybody had fun. And just one last reminder, don't ever try this at home. This is not a safe experiment. Only trained professionals, like the 4 of us, and Yifan and Andrew, are trained to do this. So kids at home, don't do this. It's not a good idea. And I think that's all I got.
Let's show the camera what he's been doing. Oh, yeah, where is it? There it is. Right there. Show up to the camera. Nope, lower.
Big Johnny Stallman.
Lower, can't even read it. Lower. Turn, now turn a little slowly. There it is. Yeah, Dr. Stallman. Perfect.
Okay. Hello everybody, I'm back. This time, after you see those really cool videos of those watermelons blowing up. We actually had to do some math. Thank you, Mr. Selman, for that one. And we use this nice little tool / instrument / I don't know what it's called, so you can call it whatever you want. In which we measured the force of the rubber bands in newtons, and we stretched the rubber bands out to the diameter of the watermelon, because that's how far they were stretched when they were on the watermelon. And we used the formula pressure equals force times area to find out our calculations, and it turns out that our hypothesis was spot on. I mean, of course, it was done by professionals. But it was spot on. The size of the watermelon did affect the pressure. The larger the watermelon, the smaller pressure was required, and vice versa. The smaller watermelon required more pressure. So, our hypothesis was right where we wanted it to be. And, we really had a good time. Thank you, Mr. Stelman, for letting us do this project. And hope everybody has a great summer and enjoys the rest of the school year. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
All right, Dr. Spellman, we end of the year. Time to throw this bad boy up in the air. Have some fun. Who wants some watermelon?